Oh, this is Sonia Hortek. This is take 20 of this video. I just wanted to share some thank you cards with you that we made today. So we made 15 thank you cards today for Stampin' Up's Day of Service. They asked all their UK demonstrators to help them make 400 thank you cards for them to give to the charity they're supporting this year. So I designed 2 of these cards myself, and we used up some kits I still had in my stash. So here's one of the cards. Thank you so much, using Thankful Thoughts stamp set and an ombre effect, and inside we used Together We Make a Difference, and I really love that image. And those are from the Artfully Aware stamp set. So I've made one in Pineapple Punch, and this is Grapefruit Grove. Made a twist on that in a landscape card, did some coloring in, and in Pineapple Punch. Then we used up a project kit of Incredible Like You. Project kit goes with this stamp set usually, but we used the Thankful Thought stamp set again. So this is a lovely thank you. My favorite, absolute favorite. Beautiful roses and laser cut, die cut around it. Thank you so very much. Lovely cute little flowers, and the green glitter is amazing. Your generosity is second only to your fabulosity. Is that really an English word? Not sure. With thank you on the inside, and last but not least, I still had a few left over of this gorgeous card kit you could get free at Celebration, called Precious Parcel Card Kit, and it makes a cute kind of vintagey looking mailbox card, and you can pull up this card and it says thank you so very much, and I've added Together We Make a Difference. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks to everyone who helped me make the cards. We had a great time this afternoon.